This is Monty. Monty is a 5-year-old neutered domestic longhair. He was brought to the Humane Society because someone in his previous home was allergic to him. He is litter box trained, good with cats and good with kids. He's very affectionate, he loves to snuggle. He's also microchipped. If you want to meet Monty, come down to Kitty City. This is Lulu. Lulu is a 1-year-old neutered domestic shorthair. He was brought to the Humane Society as a stray, so we don't know much about his previous home. He is litter box trained and good with other cats. If you want to meet Lulu, come down to Kitty City. This is Snickers. Snickers is a 4-year-old spayed domestic longhair. She was brought to the Humane Society because her owner passed away. She is litter box trained, good with cats. She's described as a total lap cat. She loves to lay around the house and snuggle. If you want to meet Snickers, come down to Kitty City. This is May. May is a 9-year-old spayed Himalayan. She was brought to the Humane Society because someone in her previous family became allergic to her. She is litter box trained, good with cats, good with dogs. She's described as quiet and independent. She can be a little shy at first, but she warms up really fast. If you want to meet May, come down to Kitty City.